it is Tamica from Sister Saving You Cents, and welcome back, Cent Savers. Guys, it is Wednesday, June I don't know. Not sure, but check the description box for that date, okay? All right, guys, so we are at Walgreens today. I went to Walgreens yesterday, actually, to use that 5 off of 15 booster that I told you about, guys. It was too good of a deal to pass up. So once we get back to the house, I will go over what I did yesterday as far as that booster. I have a pickup order I'm about to pick up, and we're going to go in store and do a few deals, and we'll head back to the house and we'll go over what we've done. Now, I am Tamica. I am one or two sisters that run Sister Saving You Cents. If you're new, there's also Cindy, guys. On Wednesdays and Sundays, we do videos by ourselves. On Mondays and Fridays, you'll see us together, guys. So if you're new here, welcome. All right, y'all, let's go see what Walgreens has left. Y'all, it's been a pretty good week of deals at Walgreens. A lot of stuff is been in stock, been out of stock. I've been chasing some deals, and some stuff you can only get online. So we're going to head in the store and see what we can do. Hope y'all having a great Wednesday, and let's... Okay, guys, so the first deal is on this Colgate toothpaste. It is $3.99 in the store. When you buy two, you get $4 in Walgreens cash. So we're going to buy two for $7.98. We're going to use this 4 off of 2 Walgreens digital. We'll pay $3.98. We'll get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making the final price free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. So if y'all need toothpaste, this is a good one for this week, and I would pick it on up, y'all. Okay, guys, so the next deal is on these Colgate toothbrushes. They are $2.99 in our store. You're going to buy two for $5.98. We're going to use the two $1 off of 1 Walgreens digital coupons. You'll pay $3.98. You'll get back $4 in register rewards, making the final price free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. Okay, guys, so the next deal is on these big razors. They're $5.99 in our store. We're going to use this 5 off of 1 digital coupon, making it just 99 cents. This is a great one to pick up this week and put in your deal. So pick it on up, y'all, if you need one. Okay, guys, so the next deal is on this Persil laundry detergent. It is $5.99 in our store. We're going to use a $2 off of 1 Walgreens digital coupon. We'll pay $3.99. Then we're going to get back $1.50 from Ibotta, making my final cost just $2.49. Now, remember, yours may be higher or lower, but this is a great deal, so we're going to just pick it on up, y'all. Okay, guys, so we are back home. We're going to go over my curbside order that I picked up. I did not go back in store, guys. I just pulled up and picked up and pickup order. So we're going to go off what I got, I can't talk, and my pickup order at Walgreens. So the first thing I picked up was this Bactine. This is the 5-ounce. It is $7.99 online only, guys. So I bought that. We have a $2 Walgreens digital coupon. Then we have a $2 Walgreens store digital coupon. I paid $3.99. I'll get back $2.50 from Ibotta, making this just $1.49. Not bad, guys, for this product. And another rebate for your bonus, guys, because we're still working on that. I don't know what it is. Lemonade. I was about to say something else. Okay, the next deal I bought, and this is online only as well. This is a curbside only. 24 count of the Excedrin. I got the migraine. It is $4.99. We have a $3 digital coupon, Walgreens coupon. You'll use that. You'll pay $1.99 in store. I mean, $1.99 at curbside or curbside only, guys. And then you get back $1.50 from Ibotta, making this just 49 cents. This is a fantastic deal. Okay, guys, so the next thing I picked up was these Walgreens maxi pads. These are 32 count. These are the super long. They are $3.29. I picked up one, guys. We have a $10. Some people do. If you didn't use it last week, has a $10 Walgreens digital coupon. It's like for a something, y'all. I'll pop it up. It's like for a monitor or something. It's attaching to these certain ones, y'all, that made this totally free. Nothing. Totally free. We do have some larger ones, but they were out of stock on the larger counts that were like $8, and it would attach to that one as well. Okay, also, curbside, I tried to pick up the Father's Day card. We didn't have that, so didn't get that. But we did have, Lord, okay, here we go. We had a deal on these Blink eye drops. These are for contacts, guys. They are $7.49. This is online only as well. There's a $3 Walgreens digital store coupon. And there's a $4 no, there's a $3 Walgreens digital coupon, and then there's a $4 Walgreens store digital coupon, making these just 49 cents. This is a fantastic deal for contact eye drops. So if you use contacts, you need some moisture lenses. There you go. Pick it on up. Okay, so the last deal I did, guys, was not a fantastic deal, but it was a deal for me because I've been trying to pick up these lemon berry intuition razors, which is really, they're expensive, y'all. So these were $8.99. I bought 2 of these for $8.99, and I got 1 of these for $5.99. Now, this is a Walgreens cash deal that I did do curbside that did work. Most of the time they don't. This does work for just this deal. So when it gets down into the complicated parts, y'all, do not do this unless you've seen somebody else do it, or you know that you'll get the Walgreens cash, because they're not giving back Walgreens cash on certain curbside orders or register rewards. So it's up to you. This one did work, so I did do that, y'all. As y'all know, I'm not a Walgreens expert. I just try to do simple deals. So I bought all 3 of those. They were $23.97. When you spend $20, you get $5 back in Walgreens cash. We had a $4.50 off of 1 digital coupon. We had a $4 digital coupon. Y'all pop all this up. And then we had another $4 digital coupon. So that made the total $11.37 after the digital coupons. And then we get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $6.31. Not too bad, but not the best deal, but it's okay because I wanted those lemon squeezes. Y'all been working on that. So out of all the stuff I got minus the Father's Day card, my total was $18.98. I used $10 in Walgreens cash. I pay $8.98 online, and I'll get back $5, making the total for all the things I got just $2. Is that right? $8.90. Yep, $3.98. So in the end, it turned out to be a fantastic deal altogether with all of that stuff. So not bad on these deals. Okay, so when I went in the store the other day, there's one I didn't record, which was so I was using if y'all remember from last week, I had a $5 Walgreens cash, $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $15. It expired yesterday, so I had to go in store yesterday to use that. So I'm going to show you what I got with that deal, which was pretty much what you see in the video, but this is actually what I have. So I got the Vanity Fair napkins. This is not on the video, guys. These are $2.49. We have a $1 digital store coupon, making it $1.49. Now, I originally was going to get the Arm & Hammer packs. They're $1.99. We do not have those. Y'all know Arm & Hammer detergent packs and shakers are $1.99. Pop those pictures up, guys. Nobody has them. I haven't been able to find them anywhere. So I ended up getting the napkins instead because I needed to spend $20 on that transaction, because I also used my 5 off of 20 booster. So I used a 5 off of 20 booster and spent $15 and 5, and they both did work. So I got $10 back on my $20 order. So that was one thing I picked up. Also, I picked up the for sale. This deal is going to be in the video. I'm going to put up, you already probably seen this deal. Pick that up. The Chic razors, I picked those up. You saw that deal. And the toothbrushes, you saw that deal. The Colgate toothbrushes. And that was all that I picked up in that order. And it was a fantastic deal. I can't remember how much I paid. I don't know where my receipt is now. I did have a problem with one of my coupons coming off for that deal. So it would have been $12.95 for all that stuff. And I would have got back $10 in Walgreens cash, which I did get back to $10 in Walgreens cash, making it, oh, and then I would have got back a $4 register reward. My register reward did not print, so be careful on the Colgate toothbrush deal. It's been printed for other people, it just didn't print for me. So that whole transaction would have been totally free for me that I did yesterday, guys. All right, now we have several deals, guys, that we did not have in store. I'm going to pop them up on slides for you guys. Y'all can watch the next couple of slides of several deals we just did not have in store. And then I'm going to come back and y'all, we're going to roll on out of this video. But Walgreens is really good this week, so I'm going to go ahead and show you these deals, and I'll be back right with y'all. Y'all, I forgot to mention on my curbside order, I did use code SENIOR20, and it did give me an additional $1.29 off that order. So that is working on certain items. It's capital SENIOR 20 on some items on your Walgreens curbside. So if you do any of these curbside deals, go ahead and try to use that code and see if it'll work for you. Okay, guys, so the next deal is on the Icy Hot. It is $6.99 in our store. We're going to use a $3 Walgreens digital coupon, and then we're going to use a $3 Walgreens store digital coupon, making it just 99 cents. Now, this is one you want to do curbside as well. If it's in stock, that way you'll get the $6.99 price, but if you need it, pick it on up, y'all. Okay, guys, so the next deal is on Rolaids. Now, you're looking for the one that is $4.99. We're going to use a $2 off of one Walgreens digital coupon. Then we're going to use a $2 off of one Walgreens store digital coupon, making the final cost just 99 cents. Y'all, I have heartburn all the time, as y'all know. So I would definitely pick it up curbside for 99 cents. Okay, guys, so the next deal is on the Oral-B toothbrushes and the Crest toothpaste. You're going to buy 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. This select, make sure you scan it in the Walgreens app, and you're gonna buy 1 of the Crest toothpastes. All 3 will be $9. You're gonna use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the toothbrushes, and then you use a $1 off of 1 Walgreens digital coupon on the toothpaste. You'll pay $5. You get back $5 in register rewards, making them all free. Now, I wasn't able to test this deal because we were out of stock on the toothbrushes, so I couldn't do this deal. But if you need it, just pick it on up, y'all. Alright, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Y'all, it's just been a really good week at Walgreens. Pretty good deals. It's been a pretty good hot week. Yeah, y'all, so if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to tune in on Friday for the Walmart video. Also, guys, check Ibotta. We do have a new rebate, a new freebie on Ibotta at Target. I did post that on Instagram, so make sure you're following us everywhere: Instagram, Twitter, our website, Facebook, and over here on YouTube. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a good day.